Okay guys, so here is another super quick video about how to use exponents with rational numbers. The best way, as always, is to take a look at an example. So let's get started. Here is 3/4 to the power 4. Okay, so here we have the exponent 4. And what it is telling us is that we need to multiply 3/4 a total of 4 times. Exactly the same way that we used to do it with integers or with natural numbers. So we know that when we multiply fractions, we multiply the tops or the numerators together, and we multiply the denominators together. So we have to do 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 3 to the power 4. That goes on the top. And we have to do 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4, which is 4 to the power 4, and that goes in the bottom. So just so that you can take a look, I'm going to do those products super quick here. 3 times 3 is 9. If we multiply that times 3, we have 27. And if we multiply that times 3, 7 times 3 is 21, carry a 2. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2, 81. So that gives us the numerator. Now if we wanted to do 4 times 4, we know that we get 16. If we multiply that by 4, so 6 times 4 is 24, carry a 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, 6. And if we multiply that by 4, 4 times 4 is 16, carry a 1. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So we have 256. So this is our final answer, 81 over 256. Remember to always simplify whenever you can. In this case, you cannot simplify, so we leave the fraction this way. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so let's pick any random fraction. For example, let's say 3 over 2, and let's raise it to the power of 2. So again, this is super simple. The exponent is telling us that we need to multiply 3 over 2 a total of 2 times. So we have 3 over 2, 3/2, multiplied by 3 over 2. And we know that 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 2 is 4. Remember to simplify whenever you can. In this case, we cannot simplify this fraction any further, so we leave the answer exactly like this. Okay guys, that's it for today. Remember, this is exponents with fractions, or with rational numbers rather. It's very simple. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and try these exercises on your own. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is radicals or roots. This is like the basic rule that we're going to use for finding the root of a rational number. Let's look at a quick example of how to do it. Here we have square root of 9 over 16. The idea is very simple. What we do is find the square root of the numerator, that is the top number, and find the square root of the denominator, which is the bottom number. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, and the final answer is 3/4. As always, remember to simplify whenever you can, and that's it. So once you guys are ready, go ahead and give these exercises a try. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.